Springtime. So I came out today to feed the chickens. It's boiling hot in there. Too hot, even though they like it. So I'm gonna start cutting off the plastic. I'm gonna start with the door. You can look outside now. Now you can really see when Mom's coming. Oh, the door opens so much better. So much better. Hi, Jelly. Hi, everybody. Oh, you looking at Sophie? Yeah, look at Sophie. Oh, she left. Oh, you guys, now you're going to be begging at the door to get out. You stand your ground, Jelly. You're taller. Hi, everybody. Hi, Jelly girl. Oh, hi, sweetie. I know you want treats. You want to get packed around. Everybody likes the door open now. But to actually get it to cool off in here, I'm going to have to take probably some plastic off of the back, I'm thinking. No, there we got... Is that Pingu? Pingu, are you getting brown around your neck like your big sister? You are. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. No, don't. You're obsessed with clothing. You're obsessed with clothing. It's okay. My clothing's fine, but not my skin. Oh, and then there's Peaches Marie. Peaches Marie. Oh, look who's here. It's Jelly. Hi, baby girl. Hi, sweetie. I love you. Oh, my head's getting dripped on. It's so warm out. Hi, Jelly Bean. Oh, we gotta trim your nails tonight. Gotta give you a nail trim tonight. Anyone else? Let's see. Mostly Jelly. Oh, look at Chessie's spurs are getting really long. Well, they're all gonna hang out by the door. I might go and see if I can take some plastic off. Oh, look at all the moisture in there. It'll help with that too. That bucket down. Are you happy, Chessie? Chessie, come back and see. Oh, there's some plastic in there I gotta get rid of too. Listen, geese. Geese are coming. You guys happy? Oh, Jelly just wagged her tail. She's very happy. How'd you get all those sticks in there? I'm gonna rake that out and give you some new dust bath. Okay. Okay. Let's see what. Oh no. I'm stuck. Ah! Let's see what eggs we got. The new box. Nobody yet again. The old boxes. Oh, 2 new chickens. Pastel and Vulture. I can't even put an egg in the new box. Bye, you guys. Enjoy the fresh air.